Hello and welcome to From Scratch to Plate. Today we're going to be making homemade yogurt with 2 simple ingredients and some delicious toppings. You could be eating this in no time. Here is the list of ingredients, and now let's get started. In a pot on medium-high heat, add in your milk. And we're just going to be heating that up to 200 degrees. Make sure to stir continuously so the milk doesn't stick to the bottom. Once it reaches 200, we're going to be removing that to the side to cool to 115 degrees. And once that cools down, we're just going to be adding a little bit of the milk mixture to our plain yogurt mixture and giving that a whisk, and adding a little bit more hot milk to the yogurt and whisking that in to the rest of the milk mixture. So just whisk that all in together, place a lid on it, and put it in the oven with the light on for 6 to 24 hours. This is what it looks like after 7 hours, and you can tell it's done when it pulls from the side. Now I'm just going to give this a mix and add it to some containers and store it in the fridge. You can store it for a couple hours or overnight and wait for it to set. And the cool thing is, you don't have to buy yogurt next time. You get to use this batch of yogurt to make your next batch of yogurt. So I'm just placing that in the fridge to chill. I'm gonna chill it overnight. Once it chills, put away half a cup of the yogurt to make your next batch with. And this is what it looks like. Super smooth and creamy. I'm so excited to eat it. I like to add some toppings on my yogurt, but you can eat it plain just like this. What I do is add in some thawed raspberries, and I drizzle a little bit of pure maple syrup on top, and I add some homemade granola, which I can leave the recipe for that in the description below. And there you have it, a delicious snack or breakfast. Hope you enjoy. Bye.